Hi, now today we're going to talk about how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So if you want to learn and see more about how to make money online without even making videos on YouTube, still don't go anywhere because we have a lot to learn. Now before we dive straight into this video, I want to ask you that if you're new to this channel and you want to learn more about how to make a YouTube channel or how to make videos on YouTube and how to make money with affiliate marketing and monetizing and all that kind of stuff, make sure that you subscribe the button there, touch the bell button to receive a notification to all my awesome videos that I upload to YouTube just for you. Now if you want to see exactly and know how to make money on YouTube without actually making videos, there are many ways of first of all, I've got videos of how to make a YouTube channel and how to start a YouTube channel and all that kind of stuff. And then I've explained many times to people that in order to start a YouTube channel and start making money out of it, you need to go in with a strong heart, with a strong mind, and you need to be positive. You need to be positive because you don't start making money straight away on YouTube. It takes a while. I know we've looked at all these big YouTubers, we've looked at all these people who are crushing it and making money, and we think that it's just a 1, 2, 3. It's been long, it's been years, it's been decades that they've been running and building an audience. But first now, before you start making money on YouTube without making any videos, you need to know, first of all, how to go about it. There are videos online. There are videos on YouTube that you can go and use, that YouTube videos that you can legally use without being, they are not copyrighted, it's illegal. Remember, YouTube doesn't allow you to copy other people's videos and put them on your YouTube. But then now there are videos that you can go and use. Videos that you can use, watch my other videos that talk about, go on YouTube and search about videos you can use you can use on your YouTube channel without being copyrighted or without getting a strike. Now those videos you can always go and it's videos, it's gaming videos, it's cartoon videos, it's YouTube prank videos that you can actually take and use them onto your own channel. But then now what you do is you take those videos and you create them into one piece. You don't take the whole video and you upload it onto your channel. What you do is you take the videos and you cut them into pieces. You cut them into small clips and you join them all together. You take videos from different creatives and then you cut small pieces and then you join them, make them into one video. So that way you don't actually need to make your own videos. You can use legally, you can use other people's videos. Now that's homework I'm giving you. Go ahead and search for and find out how to make money, how to use other people's videos legally without getting a copyright. Now the second way of making money on YouTube without making videos is you can stream, live stream. You can go live stream. Live stream is another good way of creating it. So you kind of like don't make videos, but you go on live stream. You just click on live stream and then you start live streaming. You just start talking without making videos, and then people just start watching your content, start putting in comments and start liking your videos. So there are several ways that can be done that you can make money out of YouTube without actually creating your own videos. Now how do you do live stream? Go on a YouTube search bar and type in how do you do live stream. Then you're gonna see videos, you're gonna watch videos of other YouTubers. This video is not about how to teach you how to do live streaming. I'm just giving you ideas of how you can make money on YouTube without creating your own videos. So there are many other ways, but now before you even dive into making money on YouTube, you need to be psychologically mature, knowing exactly that should anything happen to you in terms of YouTube snatching away your video or suspending your account and all that kind of stuff. Many people that I know, including me myself, it's happened to me several times. But you don't give up. You just get up. You're beaten. Your channel is taken, and then you get up and you start another one and you learn out of your mistakes. First of all, you need to be strong enough, knowing exactly. Go and read the copyright whatever, the terms and conditions. Go and read the YouTube conditions and see exactly what they need and what they don't need, even though they keep changing their terms and conditions every now and then. But then they usually bring a message on top of your YouTube account. They bring a blue message there, or on a bar on top. They're telling you exactly what they're gonna do. One thing you need to know is you need to have a niche before you start opening a YouTube channel. What do you want to do with it? You need to know exactly that in order to make money out of it. It's not something that is going to happen quick in just a few months or something. I know you've been looking at watching all those other YouTubers and watching them crushing it and making money, but you need a big audience. First, focus on getting subscribers. Subscribers are an audience. When people subscribe to you, it's a big audience, an audience that you're actually creating. You're building your own audience, people that can watch your content, people that follow you, people that watch your content all the way. So your content has to also be catchy. Like we say, this video is about how to make money without making your own videos on YouTube. Now I've given you the ways of how to do just that. But now, psychologically, you need to know that when things go wrong, should your account be suspended, don't lose it. Don't lose your mind over it. Don't lose. YouTube doesn't belong to you. YouTube gives us free platform. And if you read on their terms and conditions, you will find out that they are free. Because this is free, you don't pay. No one pays for it. It's free. They've got rights. They reserve their rights to terminate any account, to terminate remove any kind of whatever content that they feel that doesn't follow with their guidelines. So they are free to do that. See, because you don't pay for it. YouTube is a free platform that gives you. So what you need to do is just if you are into creating content, create content knowing that it's your hobby. Make it as a hobby. Don't make it as a money making. Don't make money. Don't look at it as an income, total income, because it takes a while to start making money out of YouTube. It takes years. It takes a while. It can take a year, it can take 2 years, it can take even 5 years to start earning and make money out of YouTube. So take your time and don't rush. Make sure that you focus. Have focus on do it out of love. Do it out of hobby. Make it your hobby. If you're into sport, make sure that you do it as you would go and play sports. Sit in front of a camera, enjoying it. Don't do it for the sake of making money and for the sake of being it. If you go in for making money, you're gonna get exhausted because you're not gonna see views straight away. You're not gonna start seeing subscribers flocking in straight away. So YouTube, you need to take time on a YouTube channel. YouTube is something that you build blog brick by brick. It's just something that grows in just a month. You need to take your time, build an audience, and then make sure that you create content, or you put together content, or you show content that will keep people around on YouTube. And also avoid things like now YouTube hates this. Avoid things like talking about Facebook and promoting Facebook, promoting Twitter on your YouTube account. Taking audience, it sounds more taking your YouTube links and putting them on YouTube. It looks to YouTube, it looks as if you're coming to snatch audience, to snatch views, the audience, to snatch you using the platform, YouTube platform, to take views, to take the audience out of the platform to YouTube, Facebook, to any other platform. So stop putting links of Instagram and all that, unless if you've got such big. I know you've seen other YouTubers doing it and all that, but those are YouTubers with millions and millions of subscribers. It's not small YouTubers. You're still a small YouTuber, so make sure that you play by the rules. Make sure that but first of all, what does YouTube have to gain out of you? What does it have to gain? Basically the reason why they're busy suspending accounts right now is they're getting nothing out of them. The YouTube accounts are not monetized. Secondly, you're not even talking about YouTube, you're talking about Facebook, you're busy promoting Instagram, you're busy putting in links, taking the people off the platform, taking them to another platform. So YouTube hates that. If YouTube sees that it's putting its resources, YouTube uses a lot of resources to put into videos that are on its platform. First of all, when you upload a video, YouTube takes it and it adjusts it and it customizes it and it edits it to so that it can suit the platform, so that when people watch that video, it doesn't look as if the fault comes to the creator. The fault is always a YouTube. So to keep people around YouTube platform, videos have to be looking good. Now YouTube takes its resources, put it in those videos. Now if they have got nothing to gain out of you, you're taking people to another platform, and then they are losing out because they are working to keep this video on their platform. They have put resources to edit and make this YouTube video look much clear and all that. But on top of that, you're not even monetized. So then if it sees that it's not gaining out of a channel, and it also, your channel is getting comments that bring in virus and bring in spam, people busy spamming on your YouTube channel, and then it's YouTube has to clean out all that spamming. So now if YouTube sees that it's losing out, it's not gaining out of your channel, it's a liability, then it takes it out, it suspends it. So now on your side, you'll feel like, why YouTube hates me, YouTube hates me. But now to be realistic, you're not paying YouTube to do all this work for you. YouTube is wasting its resources on you, and it's gaining nothing out of you. YouTube is a money-making machine. YouTube is an advertising platform. So YouTube is in it for advertisement. People pay YouTube to advertise their companies pay YouTube to advertise So people pay money for YouTube to advertise for them. So if you're not bringing in anything, then they have to kick you off the platform, because the only thing you're doing is wasting their resources, but they're gaining nothing out of you. So you should know that you need to know exactly what does YouTube gain out of your videos? What is in it for them? Are you talking about YouTube? Are you bringing people on the platform, or are you taking people off the platform? So those are the things you need to look out for if you want to make money on YouTube, especially without making videos. So make sure that if you want to see more of these videos, make sure that you subscribe there, touch the subscribe button, touch the bell button next to it to receive a notification whenever I upload something about YouTube videos. Israel again, and I hope you come back again for more videos on how to create a YouTube channel, how to make money on YouTube, and how to do all that on YouTube channels.